Singapore English, a wet market is a market selling fresh meat, fish, produce, and other perishable goods and distinguished from dry markets, which sell durable goods such as fabric and electronics. Chinese wheat markets. Wheat markets were traditionally places that sold dead and live animals out in the open. This includes poultry, fish, reptiles, and pigs. However, since such large animal and poultry are not commonly found in the market in Hong Kong, tooth-lipped fish, shellfish, and frogs are widely available. Some markets also sell exotic animals. Fresh fruits and vegetables are also available. Wet market also generally include butcher shops with fresh meat. The fresh meats and fish sections are separate from the fruits and vegetable stalls. Many markets also have stalls that sell dried goods, flowers, and processed tofu, as well as cooked meat. In Hong Kong, wet markets are most frequented by older residents, those with lower incomes, and domestic helpers who are served approximately percent of Hong Kong residents. Wet markets have become destination for tourists to see the real Hong Kong. Many of the wet market buildings are owned by property investment firms. As a result, the price of food can vary from market to market. In general, the owner of the market building is responsible for maintaining the building and structure. Install of rented out of retailers who purchase and sell their goods independently. For some customers, it is important to see the animal alive before it is purchased to check its health and quality. This is generally not an option in supermarkets except in lobster or fish boats. Most wet market has facilities for allowing a customer to choose a live animal, then either take it home as is to have it killed and cleaned. We love Undiscovered Wet Market. We love Hong Kong.